I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by gathering legal and payment essentials. That speeds approval. Once done, pick a niche and commission model so you attract matching programs. Make sure to have a simple landing page or active social profile ready. Networks check quality. Then, create or enable a tracking URL and clear disclosure text for affiliates. This prevents rejection. Finally, choose 2 to 3 networks to apply to immediately so you can compare offers and onboarding steps. Next, apply to chosen affiliate networks and fill every form field accurately. Mistakes delay payments. Once accepted, integrate tracking, add the network pixel, set UTM parameters, and run test conversions to confirm attribution. Make sure to configure payout methods and minimum thresholds so funds reach you. Update tax forms like Form 1099 if required. Also, read each program's terms closely. Cookie length and traffic rules affect earnings and compliance, so adjust campaigns accordingly. Finally, launch with controlled tests and measure performance immediately. You want data before scaling. Track CTR, conversion rate, earnings per click, and ROI. Once you see a winner, increase spend gradually. Make sure payouts are enabled and your reporting dashboard matches network stats so you can reconcile. If an application or conversion is flagged, the key troubleshooting tip is to update disclosure language, show stronger site proof, and remove questionable traffic sources. Then resubmit with documented fixes for faster approval.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.